So how do we? Let us maybe imagine. Workshop, yeah. So this is the fifth place you've been shipped. So you can see the joint.
It's finished on top there.
So how you get it like this? So all what I'm going to show now is basically the wood stuff joints. Now, what do you think this joint is?
Half lap.
Half lap. Now, there is something else also done for this way. What do you think that was? So well, so that this can be lifted, this can go up. Long. So, बहुत लाइट आता है. In fine. So, depending on your कितना ज़्यादा time you take. So then finish might not come out correct. Workmanship. Okay. So that, what is the hardwood? What is the soft? Is it hard? So, Nirmala, wheat use பண்ணப்ப அந்த compression. Now, this is what is the compression. Okay. Particle board. Okay. So, pieces of the thing. This is called OSB. Okay. OSB is oriented strand board.
HDFC Bank.
You can see all the particles and all those things. Everything is blue. So all these fellows have lot of blue in them. Blue, not extra. They use very different kind of composition because drums together with light. Why we use this? Because I expose it. I don't put any covering on this. So this is why we use this thing. So you guys have heard of laminate?
Yes, sir.
What's a laminate?
Laminated in top layer.
All those ganda patterns. Laminate. I asked you what is the difference between this and this.
This is factory made.
This is like this is few microns thick. This is 0.8 mm. 0.8 mm. But this is more durable. Thickness. Okay. So this is this much plastic. Okay. Then now what you have to also imagine is when you see all these shops and things, rolls together they'll be using, it's all plastic. Okay. And then people I've seen. Okay. So this uses something called as finger joint. Can you see this? It's a finger joint. Why it's called a finger joint? It's done like that. Glue goes in between and it goes like that. So we use a lot of finger joints. We have our own machine for it. It goes like that. So where we use this is when I'm making a large table, heavy one, I do a joint. Or the staircase number so on a similar language, okay. You see this? Different pieces are there. This is because the wood is old. What we use. So there are a lot of things. And this is what I highlight. Because this is my language. To say that this was something else, it has become something else. Okay. We've got wood treads. So you see this finger joint. Okay. This one, it goes through full it goes. and this is a tread. Now what we have done, now just using lap joints, you can do a lot of work. Tongue and groove. Now see this fellow. This is victory. And why is this? What is this doing? Even if this fellow tries to come out like that, I've locked it. Using a dowel, I've locked it. That's my joint. And you see how this is happening? What is happening here? Okay. So when I put it, it tightens it. That's a lock. Okay. So this is where. Okay, it's a butterfly. So it's one of the joints which is used to visually see also. Because I want to use this as a demonstration of what we can show. So can you identify? See, all these trains are old ones, with all the holes and everything you can see. This what you see here, these are all pieces which are pressed and it is fixed up. But for me, these are all just beautiful. So you identify it, you compose it.